Nagre-record na pala. Hello po! Welcome to the vlog.
Hi, welcome to Adam's vlog.
Featuring his prettiest friends. Baka hindi siya mag-agree kasi... Ay.
Hi guys! Walking kami sa kalsada lang. Actually, di ko rin sure kung nasa na kami. So, anong mo? Thoughts mo today? How was the first half of first day in Cebu?
First half of first day in Cebu 2025. Very
Tiring.
tiring.
How about you?
Oh, that's true. It's very tiring. Morning pa lang mentally tiring.
Are you well rested?
I believe I'm alive, alert, awake,
Yes,
enthusiastic.
I love that answer.
He's tired because last night, nag-blackpink.
Who are you with? Who are you wearing?
Smile.
How was the first half of the first Cebu trip?
Dami namang half niyan, te.
Parang dito.
Ito na ang... Nasa incognito na kami. Shooting ng incognito.
Okay, left or
Sabi
right?
niya.
Audience, you choose. Comment down below. Sa tayo ba? Kalahati pa lang ng trip, naligaw na.
Hindi maganda ang sense of direction ko.
Meron lang siya ay sense of humor.
Okay. Doon po yung papunta ng beach.
Sa beach po. Sedona po.
Dyan.
Diyan na po. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Gid. We're now here in the beach. Rocky Beach. At lalangoy na to si...
mo dyan?
So, natapos na si Adam Wee. Anong thoughts mo?
Maganda. May mga blue jellyfish akong nakita. Tapos, daming Finding Dory doon. So, nahanap ko na. Nagtatago lang sila sa mall ball.
Kami ni Pam. Here, just sitting.
Sitting pretty.
Babysitting. Guys, mali kami napuntahan. White Beach dapat.
Pati nga.
Tingnan mo, hindi kita. Ayan, kita niyo yun, no? Ang dami kanina pa gan...
Talaga?
Oo, as in buong
Oo.
nag-nosebleed.
Saan? Ay, di sa ilong.
Oo, ito ka nakatag ngayon lang.
Mm-mm.
God,
Hindi mo naramdaman?
Oo nga.
Ayan. Pakita kami sa inyo.
Hi guys, so we're here right now. Pam's here and AJ and Adam Wee. Say hi.
Hey.
Sobrang plastic. Hindi siya pwedeng maging vlogger. Hi guys, we're here now in sa Burnham. And we're at Adam and AJ. Pero wala si Pam saka si Alice. So ano, maka-cancel ka talaga? Kung ikaw yung ano,
Yung pwede
maka-cancel
sumikat,
ka.
makakancel ako.
Anong in-order mo?
So, what I got was moussaka, ground beef with eggplant, and I'm not sure if it's cheese or
Or
basta
what?
kulay yellow, kulay dilaw.
I ordered grilled pork chop. AJ, what did you order?
I got kapsalan. Parang kebab but with more tomato salsa tsaka cheese.
No rice?
Meron
Anything you want to say to your followers, Adam?
Thank you so much for your continued patience and for not canceling me just when I released my YouTube videos. Rest assured that moving forward, I will try to not be cancelled but also provide you with the most authentic and best content possible within the bounds of my limits.
Very good. Background namin to guys. When the say hello to the vlog. Where have you guys been? Where have you been on my...
Guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa...
Hawasan Falls. At mag...
Here with the Dabar Cut. Pooper number 2 and pooper number 1.
Wala po.
Ako po, pwede na to kuya, di ba? Pang hike.
Okay lang yan. Yung
Yay! A hiker. Sino nag-hike tong mga kasama ko, guys? Pero...
Ito may hiking shoes mo, girl.
Ito daw, pero...
Hiking shoes.
for free.
Hey! Bye! At the falls.
It's a prank!
It's a prank!
Hey,
Ano? What?
Makita yung pores ko.
Yan ang mga ano mo, blackheads. Hi guys. So, sasakay na kami sa jeep. Guys, we're here. Briefing center. Say hello. Aldous. Kami ay team green, so mga kalaban namin itong ibang kulay. Itaas ang bandera ng Pilipinas.
Nalulugi kami dito. Medyo outnumbered kami, guys.
Outnumbered today. Pati itong katabi ko. Naglalakad na kami today. Pero sila lahat sila girl, talagang shirtless.
I know. And bottomless. Sasabi ko lang ay ang gaganda
Ng view. Hindi kami nag-briefing kasi brand out. Jeep kami punta here, tapos now we're here. We will walk. Sobrang init lang, day. Sobrang init, tapos naka-long sleeves pa si ate. Start na ba to?
ng walk.
Okay.
This is the track.
Yeah, don't know how I feel this kind of way. I know nothing lost at the end of the day. If this what it feel like, I want this feeling.
Hi, pinasweldo ko na naman yung nasa harap. Hello friends. So right now, we are currently going down the slopes of Mount Tibidabo. Say hi guys to the vlog.
Hindi naman kita.
Ayan kita. Huwag mo kina-question ang vlogging preferences ko. Mag-sorry ka.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay, guwapa ako.
Guwapa ko kaayo.
Ay,
Stay for a minute.
side ka na dyan boy.
Yan.
Ganito palang buhay ng mga vlogger, no?
Oo.
Hindi ka makapag-focus. Hindi girl.
Hi!
Pabigyan niyo po ng review yung tinrect nyo.
3 out of 10 lang. Ano ba?
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Wait.
Maingay ang legs mo.
Challenges of a vlogger.
Siyempre sample one mo.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon. First jump is 4 meters. And with us is... Sana, ito si...
And maluk... Ay,
Sinangangatog.
Lapit sa ulo, baka tutama yan. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Jump. 4 meters done.
You're my best view.
I like the view.
Mom, what?
You do?
Yeah, you do.
I like the view. Okay, sige.
I like the... Ay!
Pakita mo view.
1, 2... Ay! Teka lang mukha. I like the view.
You do?
You're my best view. Tired rin yan.
Ano na yan? Signs of aging.
Play Anxiety by Doechii.
Anxiety! Masasabi mo sa experience?
Ay naman. Would recommend.
Galing! Hey! Wow, galing! Yun! Magaling yan! Galing naman eh! Grabe yun ah! Ingat eh! Okay. Congratulations, survivors. Survivors.
Survive.
Congratulations.
Hello guys, tapos na ang aming Kawasan Falls trip. Now on the way home. Well, thanks for the sunlight. We are now on the way home to Casa Tamonan, which is in the city. I hopped in a plane at LAX today with a cardigan. Our driver, do you need a swap later?
No, I'm okay.
Wow!
Damn! That is a dad material.
Ikaw, Aldous.
What?
Are you willing to swap with AJ?
Sure.
My phone is dead! No funny. Okay, bye guys. See you later again in the Casa Tamonan. Hi guys. What's that? It's my brookie. Brookie! Who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing myself.
And our driver. Today is day 3 and we are going to...
I-share ko naman kung ano. Hi guys, did you know starting April 1, 2025?
Please pakihina.
Sorry.
We're going to explore the city.
Akala ko jumitismis ka lang sa akin.
City
Mga taray ka na pala. Pinapasa ko na yung corona.
Medyo maingay itong iPad kid na katabi ko. Ti!
Ah?
Bingi!
Yes.
Ano pinapanood?
Hindi pwede.
Hi guys, see you again later in the city.
Ano yung mga pogi?
Pani! Done with the Temple of Leia. Now we're gonna go shopping! Shopping! Okay naman. For 150. Kung naka-outfit ka, sulit siya. Pero kung dumaan ka lang.
Lunch muna.
What's the other one? Sinabi mo?
Tightrope.
What's that? Cafe. Hi guys. We're now here at Tightrope. Ay, Leia, sadyo. Bakit? Fresh ka naman.
Hindi mo pinatapos, gagano'n pa siya.
It's s'mores pie and bird nuts with coffee and galing kami. Pinain na natin?
Michelangelo.
Our very own Michelangelo. Right here in this clip.
We had pastas and pizza. Tapos we went here for dessert.
Try it.
Let's try it, okay.
How's the s'mores spread?
It's buzzing.
Sarap.
Better if
Sorry.
graham cracker crust. Tsaka hindi ganun ka-smooth yung chocolate. But it's fine. It's good pa rin.
Ayaw mo, girl? You don't wanna try?
No, I don't wanna try.
Why? Ito din.
Paul. Ganito po kasama yung mga friends ko. Kitang-kita niyo yan. Kung ako demure, ito, demonyo.
Wait lang. Kailangan di ba masarap kumain?
Oh.
Sige, if you were in a commercial.
I'm from Yummy.
Paano kumain? Sige nga. Alam mo, kilala siya sa office na nagaganon.
I can taste the leather. Take 2. Really good. The matcha flavor is not that overpowering. Very creamy. I feel like I'm being judged, but I don't care.
Try natin. Nangangalay na ako, so kata natin to.